Hey everybody, Dennis here from Denny Bob's RC. Hey, I've been working on my Bruder Mac Tamiya dump truck. I'm kind of working on getting the hydraulic stuff all kind of figured out, and it's kind of a work in progress. Eventually I'll get it all torn down and painted and whatnot, but get all the kinks worked out first. So, kind of show you. Yeah, I got the cab temporarily removed right now, and I've just got the ESC for the pump hanging here. Actually, I took and hollowed out the battery box on the other side, and I am going to try to at least mount one, if maybe both ESCs in there, the one for the pump and the one for the truck itself. We'll see what happens. If not, I've got plenty of room up here underneath the hood to mount stuff. A lot of cleanup yet to do, but I did end up, I'm going to show you something here. I did end up getting the hydraulic pump mounted inside the factory Bruder fuel tank. Had to hollow it out and then make a mounting bracket and everything. And then I got the tank there. The tank is almost too small. I may have to put a larger hydraulic reservoir on it yet. Not sure yet. We'll see how it goes. But we'll get the truck tipped back up. That's one of the things with hydraulics. You got to be careful which way you tip the reservoirs, because I do have a breather on the top and a hose that goes down. And if I tip the truck the other direction, then it'll run out the top of the tank. But always need a little breather in the hydraulic system on these. Now, let's see. Turn the radio on. Make sure all the switches are down. We'll turn that on at least. And we got that. Now, I've got a little bit of air in the system yet, but tailgate is automatically opening. And it does get a little jerky, and hopefully once I get more of the air worked out of the system, it won't be so bad. It goes up a lot higher than that yet. There. I think that's plenty of an angle to dump that truck out. And bring her back down. It's gonna jerk a little bit coming down because I got some air in the system. The joys of one-way cylinders, but I'll get it worked out. And I don't have any weight on the box either, and that box is pretty light, so there, should be all the way down. Yeah, she's good. Anyway, but it's a work in progress. But I think maybe that reservoir is a little bit small, because I think it darn near runs out of fluid by the time I get that one-way cylinder all the way up, and then it starts sucking air, and then I start all over trying to bleed air out of it. But I do have a larger reservoir here. I was just trying to keep a smaller reservoir. I think one's probably just about a 1/4 inch longer is all, because I may want to put a cheater axle or a lift axle in here yet. And if I get too big of a reservoir in here, then it causes a problem. But getting that pump kind of hidden back in here has kind of helped. Like I said before, I'll get the ESCs maybe hidden in here. If not, I've got plenty of room underneath the hood, and I'll mount the battery up underneath the hood. And I'm not much for putting a fake engine and all that crap in there. But anyway, I think it's coming along. It's coming along nicely. I'm not sure if I'm going to stick with the 78mm tires, though. I think I might end up going to the 43 or the 83s, excuse me. I'm just not quite sure yet. We'll see how it goes. Shut that annoying radio off. But it's just kind of a progress. Work in progress. How do I want to say it? But yeah, and then I got all my cab mounts made, and I can get the cab mounted on here and whatnot. But like I say, the bench is an absolute disaster area at the moment, and it is what it is. yeah, I'm finally getting out of the shop. I hadn't been feeling good for a couple of weeks, and I just had a bug or something, and constant tickle in my throat and coughing all the time, and it just got annoying. So anyway, I'm feeling a lot better now, and we'll kind of continue on and work on this thing and see what else we can mess up on it, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure how well it's going to go yet. I don't even have the ESC drive in here for the motor for the drive yet or anything. Just a constant, like I say, it's a work in progress. But kind of figured I'd kind of fill you guys in on the progress so far. So it's been probably about 3 weeks since I've really, truly worked on it. This is the first time I've actually sat down and felt good enough to actually put some effort into it. So anyway, catch you guys later.